In the race for survival, speed is often the key to success. From the grassland of Africa to the depth of the ocean, animals have evolved to reach astonishing speeds in pursuit of prey or to escape predators. Let's delve into the world of the fastest animals on the earth, from sprinting cheetah to the diving peregrine falcon. Cheetah. The cheetah takes the crown as the fastest land animal, capable of reaching speed up to 75 miles per hour. With a sleek body and long legs, cheetahs are built for explosive bursts of speed, enabling them to chase down prey with remarkable agility. Their success in hunts often relies on short, intense sprints, showcasing their exceptional acceleration. Peregrine falcon. Taking to the skies, the peregrine falcon reigns supreme as the fastest animal on the planet, with breathtaking dives that exceed speeds up to 40 miles per hour. These raptors are unparalleled in their aerial prowess. Armed with a sharp talons and keen eyesight, they swoop down on unsuspecting prey with a deadly precision, make them formidable hunters in the avian world. Sailfish. In the depth of the ocean, the sailfish stand out as one of the fastest marine creatures, with speed reaching up to 70 miles per hour. These sleek predators effortlessly slice through the water, hunting down schools of fish with remarkable agility. Their streamlined bodies and powerful tails enable them to execute swift maneuvers, making them formidable hunters in their aquatic domain. Pronghorn antelope. On the open plains of North America, the pronghorn antelope showcases its remarkable speeds and endurance, capable of sustaining speed of up to 61 miles per hour long distances. These graceful creatures are built for marathon-like sprints. Golden eagle. With a keen eyesight and unparalleled aerial prowess, the golden eagle ranks among the fastest birds of prey, soaring the great heights before diving at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. These majestic birds strike fear into the hearts of their quarry. Armed with razor-sharp talons, they snatch unsuspecting prey from the ground below, showcasing their mastery of the skies. Spur-winged goose. Native to the wetland of Africa, the spur-winged goose is an avian species for its impressive flight capabilities, with speed reaching up to 88 miles per hour. These large waterfowl are adept to covering vast distances during their seasonal migrations. Their powerful wings and streamlined bodies enable them to navigate diverse landscapes with ease, making them a sight to behold in the African wilderness. Quarter horse. Among horses, the quarter horse stands out as a sprinting champion. Renowned for its agility and speed, this breed can reach velocities of up to 55 miles per hour in short bursts. Originally bred for racing across quarter-mile courses, these horses excel in a quick acceleration and rapid maneuvers, earning them a place among the fastest land animals. Springbok. In the savannas of southern Africa, the springbok dazzles with its impressive speed and agility, capable of reaching speeds of 55 miles per hour. These antelopes are renowned for their acrobatic leaps and sharp turns. Their nimble movements and boundless energy make them a symbol of vitality on the African plains. Lion. Despite their reputation as apex predators, lions are formidable sprinters with a speed reaching up to 50 miles per hour. These social cats rely on teamwork to bring down swift-footed prey. While they may not match the speed of solitary hunters like the cheetah, their coordinated hunts demonstrate the power of the collaboration in the animal kingdom. Conclusion. From the plains of Africa to the depth of the ocean, speed is a defining trait among the animal kingdom elite. Whether on land, in the air, or underwater, these remarkable creatures showcase the beauty and diversity of life on Earth. As they race across the vast landscape and soar through the skies, they remind us of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the endless wonders that await discovery. So friends, that's our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you and it gave you some knowledge, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting and amazing videos. Thank you.